Ever wondered how to make your garden thrive? Today, we're going to reveal a secret ingredient that might just be the solution you're looking for. We're talking about Epsom salt, a common household item with surprising gardening benefits. Stay tuned as we delve into the wonders of Epsom salt for your garden. But first, what exactly is Epsom salt? It's not truly a salt, but a naturally occurring mineral compound of magnesium and sulfate. Commonly found in personal care items and household uses, it's a versatile ingredient. Now that we know what Epsom salt is, let's explore its magical effects in the garden. Why should you consider using Epsom salt in your garden? Well, the benefits are aplenty. Epsom salt, rich in magnesium and sulfate, can enhance plant growth by promoting the production of chlorophyll. It infuses the soil with essential minerals, optimizing the environment for your plants to thrive. But that's not all. Epsom salt also plays a vital role in the production of more vibrant flowers and bountiful fruits. Isn't it amazing how a simple compound can have such a significant effect on your garden? So, how do you use Epsom salt in your garden? Well, there are a couple of ways. For soil amendment, you can sprinkle a tablespoon of Epsom salt per square foot and mix it into the soil before planting. As a foliar spray, dissolve 2 tablespoons in a gallon of water and spray it on your plants every couple of weeks. But here's the kicker. While Epsom salt can benefit your garden, it's essential to use it wisely and in moderation. So, are you ready to give your garden a boost with Epsom salt? Remember, this magical mineral can enhance plant growth, improve flowering, and even deter pests. It's a simple, cost-effective addition to your gardening routine that can yield impressive results. Why not give it a try? Your garden will thank you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!